Okay, it's painting day. I just went through and painted all the parts on a shinier silver. Looks like new again. Just getting ready to do the second part, which will be the bottom half for today. I cleaned it all the other day really well. Had to get it clean with an SOS pad. Day one of painting. Check it out. Look what I found. I found the original jacks still attached to the frame, and I put WD-40 on there, and they actually came off. And I get the cool original stands. Painting is done. Maybe a few touch-ups.